In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. In the underprivileged areas of District Sangar, Sindh, Pakistan, the mission of serving humanity continues with dedication and sincerity. A famous English poet once wrote a poem titled Children, in which he beautifully expressed that just as trees are essential in a forest, and leaves are essential to trees, without leaves, there would be no trees, and without trees, no forest, in the same way, children are essential to this world. Without children, there would be no world, as they are its true beauty and joy. In these deprived regions, organizing such communal meals Dastarkwan for children serves two major purposes. 1. It helps eliminate feelings of deprivation and inferiority among children caused by poverty. 2. It creates admiration and attraction towards education by making them feel valued and included. These events include a variety of nutritious and delightful items such as fruits, sweets, juices, savory snacks, refreshing drinks, and clean mineral water. The aim is to ensure children remain healthy and strong, and to inspire them to pursue education with enthusiasm. Let us all take part in this noble cause. Your charity and donations can make education accessible to children from poor families who are eagerly waiting for your support. Come forward, spread knowledge, share hope, and shape a